Planning your day can help you make the most of your time and ensure that you are able to accomplish your goals. Here are some steps to help you plan your day effectively. Wake up at a consistent time. Set a consistent wake-up time that allows you to get enough sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Hydrate yourself. Start your day by drinking a glass of water to rehydrate your body and jumpstart your metabolism. Exercise or stretch. Incorporate some form of physical activity to get your blood flowing and boost your energy levels for the day ahead. Eat a healthy breakfast. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast that provides you with the energy and nutrients you need to power through the day. Practice mindfulness. Take a few moments to practice mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing or meditation to help reduce stress and improve focus. Review your calendar. Check your calendar to see what meetings or appointments you have scheduled for the day, and prepare any necessary materials. Plan your day. Take a few minutes to plan out your tasks and priorities for the day ahead, so you can stay organized and focused. Set achievable goals. Set achievable goals for each task, and make sure that you have enough time to complete them. Be realistic about how much time you need for each task. Schedule your day. Create a schedule for your day, and allocate specific times for each task. Make sure to include breaks and time for relaxation. Be flexible. Remember that unexpected events can happen, so be flexible and adjust your schedule as needed. Make a list of tasks. Start by making a list of all the tasks that you need to complete for the day. This can include both personal and professional tasks. Prioritize tasks. Once you have a list of tasks, prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This will help you focus on the most important tasks first. Set daily goals. Set achievable goals for the day and prioritize tasks to ensure you make progress towards your larger goals. Avoid distractions. Eliminate distractions that may interfere with your productivity, such as social media notifications or emails. Have a positive mindset. Start your day with a positive mindset, and focus on the things you're grateful for to set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Review your progress. At the end of the day, review your progress and see what tasks you were able to complete. This can help you plan for the next day. By following these steps, you can effectively plan your day and ensure that you are able to accomplish your goals.